Okay guys, I'm showing you the seat that I'm working on. Now this pan here, this is the pan from the old Rebel seat. This piece, it was there. Let me see. I think, yeah, it was like this. So I cut this off because I wanted to cut this more. Now what we did is we put some mesh tape from a roll like this. Put it back here. We use some fiberglass resin on the mesh tape. Then this is just a piece of towel. The reason why I wanted a piece of towel because it absorbs. And we put, this is dry. This is probably about 3 days. 3 days old. And believe it or not, this is strong as hell. So we put a towel on here. We impregnated it with a lot of fiberglass resin. And we're starting to put the Snow White back here, or fiberglass, the hell is this stuff called? Bondo. Couldn't think of the name. Got Bondo back here. What we're going to do now is we're going to Bondo this. Okay. Some of it over here. And this is in the real early stages. This has a long way to go of reinforcing the back of this. Then once we get it reinforced real good, we'll cut it. We'll cut the back. Some of that on that side. It's almost like decorating a cake, huh, guys? And now, and this doesn't have to be pretty because foam's going to go over all this. But what I'm concerned about is strength and a form. Tell you, this smells horrible. Okay, it looks pretty good there. See if I can push some of this up here a little bit. thing is starting to get hard. Pretty warm out. You know what, we'll leave it like that. Might have to sand some of that down. Well, that's actually done, except for sanding. Once it dries, we'll reinforce the back, and then we'll cut these edges here to give it like a little roundness. Cut that a little bit, and then we'll sand everything down, and it's ready for foam and vinyl. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a T here underneath, and we'll bolt the T on. That'll be the bracket that goes on a motorcycle.